I'm going to show you how to write the perfect listing description in the next 2 minutes using ChatGPT integrated with LikelyAI's new platform. I know if you're like me, sometimes you get that blank screen syndrome and you just don't know really how to put it all together in a number of characters that make sense. So my name is Brad McDaniel. I'm the founder of Likely.AI, and I'm going to show you how to do this using our new chatbot prompts playbook for a realtor. So let's get into it. So this guide is what you can get access to, and I'll tell you here at the end how you can get a copy of this, right? But we put together 150 prompts telling you how to do all the things that realtors really need to be able to do well, and sometimes we struggle with. So let's start by writing a listing description. Now we talk about it a little bit in here, I think, around page 5. But what I did is I went out and I literally just went to realtor.com and grabbed the first listing, okay? And from here, I said, all right, let's show you how to do this with the best practices on Likely AI. So now most people would start and just put in, hey, let's write a listing description for that address. All right, so here we go. And let's see what it comes back with. I've written out some prompts here to help make this quick. Okay, so there you go. 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths, desirable area. That sounds pretty good. Let's see how accurate it is against what's online. So they said 3.5 baths, different square footage, uh, distance to downtown. Okay, so let's add, to make this better, let's add a little more detail as if you were the listing agent. You didn't have to write all of the nice, descriptions of it, but maybe you just want to say, hey, how many beds, baths, square feet, and the description. I'm sorry, and you want to include the distance to downtown Austin. So let's have it rewrite it for us. And you can do this multiple times, to kind of try to get it to fit exactly what you're looking for. So now there it is, the right beds, baths, square feet, because maybe ChatGPT just got it wrong from the last assessor record it looked at. Kind of in-suite bathroom. I like kind of some of the description. I'm not sure about the large backyard. So it could be taking some creative liberties, and ChatGPT is known for that. It's all based upon they call it temperature where it's set, and the more higher it is, the more creative liberty it has. So it can create like a really creative story, and the less, it's a little more precise. Ours is a little more precise, so it shouldn't go too creative on us. But let's say we want to include more, and we want it to write kind of with a picture in the head of the reader, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to add this prompt where we're going to add the beds, baths, that there's a spotlight bathroom and high ceilings and granite countertops in the kitchen. No, nothing else besides that. We're going to say don't use a crazy salesy voice, just kind of be witty and upbeat. And we want you to paint a picture in the reader's head. So I could do each one of these and kind of show you how they build. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to take it. So let's do this one next and see what it says. There we go. Non-salesy tone. It's looking, I believe this will come back with a pretty accurate listing description, and also kind of tying it all together, sometimes in ways that it does better than we can, at least than I can. So spotlight master bath, luxury, plus a granite countertop. Countertop, excuse me, 15 minutes to downtown. I didn't tell it the distance to downtown. I said include it, so that's great. So you can see how you can kind of continue to add this, but I don't like that it included the full address in the description. And, maybe I need it to be within a certain number of characters for my MLS. So you can add something like, basically take exactly what we just did, but add in the number of character limit that you want the description to be. And also things you don't want it to do. So in this case, we don't want it to use the address in the description, right? So to do that, we would just say, don't use the address Now it's going to limit it to 1,000, and it's going to remove the address. So it should elaborate more on the property itself without duplicating the address, because it's going to be on a listing page, right? So, I mean, you're already going to have the address, probably in multiple places on the page. What's the point of having you add that in to the description itself? Here's a stunning Austin home. It's much shorter. You can see from the first one. It includes all the pieces that we've asked for, and it even just made it a short drive to downtown. So sometimes what I like to do is kind of cut and paste a couple of these together if you don't really like it or if you want to expand it. That's an easy way to get to what you want. Maybe you can expand it to 1,500 characters or 1,200 characters or something like that, and that'll give you exactly what you want. But this is a free feature, guys, that we include within our new Likely AI platform. You can check it out at my.likely.ai. And if you want access to this prompt guide for realtors for ChatGPT, just go to likely.ai/playbooks. We have a ton of playbooks there. You can access any ones you like. Maybe you're more interested in direct mail or texting or cold calling, emailing, multimedia, kind of how you bring it all together. But this is a great resource. Come and check it out. We want to help you be more efficient leveraging artificial intelligence within your real estate business. Thank you for your time, and join our group if you want to see more details like this. Otherwise, good luck out there. Remember, it's your data. Leverage it with AI.